Ah, Abernethy biscuits. These delightful treats have an interesting history that dates back to the 19th century. They were created by Dr. John Abernethy, a London physician who sought to offer a healthier alternative to the richer biscuits of his time. What makes Abernethy biscuits stand out is their subtle sweetness and the aromatic flavor of caraway seeds. Now let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need to make these delicious biscuits. You'll need 225 grams, or 8 ounces, of all-purpose flour, 100 grams, or 3.5 ounces, of unsalted butter, 50 grams, or 1 3/4 ounces of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds, and finally 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk as needed. Alright, it's time to prepare the biscuit dough. Start by sifting the flour and baking powder into a large mixing bowl. Then add the unsalted butter and rub it into the flour using your fingertips until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Next, stir in the caster sugar and caraway seeds. Gradually add the milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together but isn't too sticky. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a round cookie cutter to cut out the biscuits, re-rolling the scraps as needed. Place the biscuits onto a lined baking sheet, spacing them slightly apart. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the biscuits for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are lightly golden around the edges. Remove from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack. Traditionally, Abernethy biscuits are enjoyed with tea or served with cheese. They have a crisp texture and a unique flavor provided by the caraway seeds. Give this recipe a try at home and share your results with us.